Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about Bitcoin SV. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Bitcoin SV. You can access it by going to bitcoinsv.com. It is a global infrastructure with unbounded efficiency. So over here you can have access to fast, scalable, disruptive, environmentally efficient ecosystems. They have 1500 developers, 265 apps, 11 plus wallets, 10,000 TX per second on Maniet, #1 at coin market cap, and 350 plus companies. It is not just the fastest blockchain. Bitcoin SV is a fastest public ledger which has capability to support over 50,000 transactions per second. But that's not all. It is powered by Bitcoin scripting. Each transaction can be a smart contract, a cryptographically secure token, or an NFT. The possibilities, uses, and benefits are truly limitless. Bitcoin SV is also a green technology, so they focus on CO2 efficiency per transaction and outclass all the competition blockchain on coin carbon cap since its inception. Environmentally, this platform is directly competing with Visa, which is one of the world's most used payment network, yet Bitcoin SV does and enable a lot more than Visa. Bitcoin SV has distilled the Bitcoin back to its purest form. It has locked its protocol in stone. It has been keeping the key economic systems and functionality described in the white paper while combining the technology and allowing thousands of enterprises and developers to safely build on it. The key features of this network is token support, TX throughput, block size, instant transactions, NFT support, which on-chain auditing, on-chain storage, and so much more. With Bitcoin, you can send as little as $0.1 anywhere around the world instantly. They do provide accessibility to peer-to-peer payments, so you can pay, send money directly without the need of any expensive third parties. They have next generation NFTs, so they offer the lowest fees for NFT trading while enabling the largest NFT file sizes. When it comes to data integrity, it will allow anybody to verify and certify data and the actions performed in it. You can create documents, content that cannot be changed in any way. They enable secure voting, which will increase accountability, transparency, and accuracy of the content. They have unlockable content. You can create content and communication that can only be accessed by those you wish or those who pay. They have smart contracts, so you can automate the execution of agreements visibly to all parties without any intermediary. They are regulation friendly as well, so Bitcoin has been designed from day one to be 100% regulation friendly. When it comes to technology, they do have micropayments which are used to create a very efficient online revenue model at just fraction of a penny. When it comes to Bitcoin is a global phenomena, if you don't know, which is more like a digital money. It can be used to transfer money from one wallet to another at a faster speed and lower transaction speed. Bitcoin essentially is a decentralized ledger. It's a network of nodes that would track various transactions without relying on third parties. So Bitcoin SV is committed to advance the Bitcoin protocol while adhering to the definitions of Satoshi Nakamoto's original white paper. Here is the demo of Bitcoin SV, so you can try it out because it is not only the most scalable blockchain but also one of the cheapest transaction fees of any public proof of work blockchain right now. So for instance, over here you can select your media file and then you can put your minting details. So we'll put that as NFT 1 test 1. You'll put your description over here. Total supply, we'll put that as 200 or maybe like 2000 for now, and then I'll click mint your first NFT. And for the token supply, you'll put that as 10, and then you'll click mint your first NFT. Over here you can see the little demo that says that your NFT is minted, and we have transaction ID, token ID. You can also click view on chain. So this was just a little demonstration to show you how that works. Bitcoin SV token is an open protocol blockchain. So essentially a token is a digital record of ownership of the Bitcoin SV that will be used to manage the smart contract. So specifically it is a digital ledger entry that that would record the ownership right of a certain entity for a given asset. Each company out there would have their own freedom so that they can make their own NFT, and Bitcoin SV would support a variety of token protocols so that they can meet all the demands. They have a Run network, which is a platform where you can build apps and token on Bitcoin. Developers out there can create applications using interactive objects, which is known as cheeks. Cheeks would allow you to build anything that you can dream of. So whether it's token, contracts, artwork, elections, game, digital pets, and so much more. So Run would support full object-oriented programming and arbitrary code today, and applications such as CryptoFights and DuroDogs have shown the scalable use of Run network for various applications. So the Stars protocol is used to create smart contracts-based token and enforce the persistence of those tokens with optimized and minimal code size. Over here, we do have a bit more context on the stats token. Then we have Sensible Contracts, which is a native on-chain Bitcoin script enforced token, which is built with script language. Over here, you're going to find more details on the Sensible Contract. We have LS token, which uses the MetaNet concept to create private permissioned ledgers for multi-signature issuance of token on BSV blockchain. Then we have Tokenized Protocol, which is open source application layer protocol that would utilize the Bitcoin SV network for passing, authenticating, and storing various messages. Next, we have Simple Fabric protocol. It is for the token, as the name indicates, a very simple protocol which is developed so it can add token capabilities to your apps. If you want to get the BSV token, just click over here. You will come to this page, and on this section you're going to see various outlets from which you can purchase your BSV token by card. So for instance, we have CoinGate. So when I click over here, I can create myself an account, log in, pay for it, and get some BSV tokens. This is the Twitter page, and as you can see, they have made updates about the new stuff they are working on, so definitely keep an eye on it. Overall, Bitcoin SV looks quite promising, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.